use a variety of communication methods to communicate with one another, including 1. Songs. Male humpback whales are famous for their complex and haunting songs, which they use to attract mates and communicate with other whales. These songs can last for up to 20 minutes and can be heard over long distances. 2. Clicks. Toothed whales, such as dolphins and killer whales, use clicks to echolocate and communicate with one another. These clicks can be used to locate prey and navigate through their environment. 3. Body language. Whales also communicate through body language, such as breaching, tail slapping, and spyhopping. These behaviors can convey messages about aggression, submission, or playfulness. 4. Chemical signals. Whales also use chemical signals, such as pheromones, to communicate with one another. These chemical signals can convey information about reproductive status and social hierarchy. 5. Vocalizations. Whales also use a variety of vocalizations, including grunts, whistles, and squeaks, to communicate with one another. These vocalizations can convey information about social status, location, and behavior. Overall, whales have a complex and sophisticated communication system that allows them to navigate their environment, find food, and interact with one another.